That should be straight. I ain't like they can't see nothing. I don't know. Fuck it. But no, that was good, YouTube, man. Back with another banger and shit. You feel me? I gotta make sure the camera ain't going shit good though, bro. Hold on, that's it, re-recording. Alright, there you go. That should be able to see. Alright, that. Nah, bro. Show y'all that shit. You know, cause last video I ain't show y'all the goddamn car and shit. So a lot of people probably was asking and shit. You feel me, Scat? So I ain't gonna clickbait the video online and shit. I need to get my shit washed. No bullshit. But y'all see though, you feel me? Last call and shit. Hey, niggas don't got that. You feel me and shit? Niggas don't got that. No cap. Niggas don't got that shit. I need to get that shit. Why I got bird shit right there? No cap. But no, though, man. I'm gonna show y'all goddamn. Be a little POV and shit. You feel me? I'm explaining how I got to wreck the driver ticket, bro. Like how they caught my ass. Look at this shit. Y'all can see. Look at that shit. Shit bad, bro. They caught me, bro. Hey, cause the crazy thing about it is I was with my nigga Ron, bro, and goddamn, let me fix the camera. I told y'all I got y'all. Goddamn, I was with my nigga Ron type shit. We were just chilling and shit. You feel me? And I said, let's do some burnouts, some shit. So we went over there by the dump, did some burnouts. Police drove past. Boom. So I'm like, damn, I gotta fucking run. Nigga, the cops here. I'm like, shit, nigga, they catching. I'm going to jail. You feel me? So I ran. Got on the highway, boom, gone. They cut off the lights and they stopped that shit. So I was straight, you feel me? But goddamn, I'm about to show y'all what the fuck happened. I'm gonna show y'all what happened. I'm gonna drive around for a little bit, get y'all a little POV type shit. I'm gonna show y'all what happened. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how that shit like went down. Get the train right there coming in the goddamn, what's the name? Even goddamn, cut down type shit. I got that shit in eco mode. That shit like it spawn like that. It don't spawn, but well, it do. You got them cut on. When I cut on the car, I go straight to eco mode. Ever since I did the custom shit, it do that. I'm gonna show y'all like how this shit happened, bro. Like how the police like caught me and like boxed me the fuck in. Like I couldn't even do nothing. Like I was stuck. Like nigga pulled in front of me. He pulled in front of me, and the other dude like pulled on the side of me, type shit, like, on the side. So like, I couldn't even do shit. I couldn't even fucking run if I wanted to, bro. I was boxed in. I was like, bro, and I'm like, fuck it, bro. He caught me and he got down. He gave me that shit. I was like, bro. Then I was like, bro, you could at least like check the box. Cause you know I got shit on the fucking window, bro. Bird shit. I get a car wash. I'm like, bro, you could at least like check the box so I don't gotta show up in court. He told me, nah, bro. He told me, nah, you gotta show up in court for this. You gotta show up in court. I'm like, man, this nigga's a fucking dickhead. Fucking me, I gotta show up in fucking court. And I do got shorts on, bro. I got shorts on type shit. For niggas probably got on like, hey, you driving the fucking boxes and I know how y'all weird niggas and shit get and shit like that. You mean? I know how y'all niggas get. So hey, watch yourself, boy. Fuck you talking about? Little head that nigga. Bro, I don't get how my GoPro going dead and I didn't use it since I recorded the video, bro. Like, and then I took the battery out. So I don't see how this shit on 20%. I don't see how this shit on 20%, bro. That shit is stupid, bro. Like, how the fuck this shit draining? I mean, going dead and I'm not even fucking using the shit. Like, come on, bro. Like, damn, bro. Shit crazy. And they caught me early in the morning too, bro. Like, it was like 10 o'clock. It was like 10 o'clock they caught me. Go. Fuck over, bro. Dumbass. Fuck you got now. People that drive, bro. This is why I be doing it. This is why I do the shit I do. You feel me? Hey, this video not real either, by the way, YouTube. You know, this is not real. This is fake. This is GTA RP we playing. You feel me? So yeah. Video GTA RP we playing, bro. Crazy. We got pull this seat up real quick so y'all can set the camera and it can stop moving. I figured that out too. That's probably what it be. The camera angle shit. Look at him. See him right there? He waiting. He like, yeah, I got me one. I got me one. Haha. Bitch, how I going to run? No cap. Look at him though. Look. Hey, bro, they be on dick. I be telling y'all they be on dick. Look where he was hiding at. And I didn't even see him, bro. And I was doing 64. I was just about to take off too. Like, look, bro. Hey, this is why I don't speed for real. Like, I want to by myself. Like, if I'm driving another car, we cruising, we speeding and shit, yeah, I do it, then you feel me? But like, they can't catch both of us. Shit, somebody gonna shit, you feel me? Close to freedom. But yeah. That shit crazy. That nigga like dead. They got it. Fucking dead. At 10:24. They say 8:30. That's the time I got to appear at court. So it was like at 10. I was trying to catch what's your name breakfast, bro. Chick-fil-A. You know how that Chick-fil-A breakfast shit get. Let me print them, but y'all probably can't hear me for real. But y'all know how that Chick-fil-A breakfast get, bro. That shit make you feel me. Like you really do whatever to get them catch that Chick-fil-A breakfast shit. You'll come out of the house with goddamn a hole in the sock and no sock on. Like just to catch that shit. That's what I was doing. Like, but yeah, bro, I lie you not. Woke up, brushed my teeth, threw in the t-shirt, and got down. I left out our pajamas on, no bullshit. Went there, driving down the road. I'm about to show y'all the road I'm talking about. I'm about to got down, pull over there, bro. About to turn. Coming like right down this road. It was right down here, bro. Right down here. I'll show y'all exactly what it is. Bitch, I'm tired. I ain't get no sleep like that for real. No bullshit. What's this? A Mustang right here? Oh no, let me get over. Hey, let's see if we get one. Let's see if we go. Bitch, lame ass nigga. Fuck everybody had all these goddamn sports looking cars and shit. Don't want to fucking race, bro. Shit bad. The light red, perfect. Hey, it happened right here over this bridge. I was doing 75 over this bridge and a 45. It happened right here. You see how the light just turned green? Hold up. It happened right here. The cop was right there and the nose was right here. I swerved, kept going. I kept going. And the other nigga pulled in front of me and like, hold on, let me come right here. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all. Turn it. I don't know why this car keep coming behind me so now I'm close in that last hoopty. Look, it happened right here, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna turn around real quick. Hold up. I ain't never been back here before. Let me turn around real quick. Let me put this inside the glove department for this guy now. This shit fly the fuck out. Alright, look, it happened right here, bro. Like literally right here. The cop car came from the other side, swerved on the side of me, and the other dude, I don't know what the fuck the cop doing over here, like on this side right here, which is fucking dumb. This nigga was posted like right over here on the side. just sitting there for no fucking reason. He come his light swerving in front of me. I'm like, damn. I'm like, I can't even fucking do nothing. I'm like, I gotta stop. I'm like, bitch, they got me. I can't goddamn even try to outrun them. I can't even do shit. Then at the time, my dumb ass had my fucking keys in my pocket, bro. For everybody that know that watched the last video, I got license plate closers type shit. You feel me? I thought it was hit B. I don't rock the front license plate, cause that shit look tacky. Bro, the keys in my pocket. I'm like, bro, man. Now for the one cop car, I would've loved. Look at them. Look at they be fucking bored, bro. They be bored as fuck. I'm not stopping. I would never stop for one cop car. Never. I would never. Now if you boxed me in, like they did before, came across that way, look what he pulling in there. It's like, look what they be at, bro. Look at that shit. That shit's sad. That's exactly how they caught me, bro. Nigga pulled in front of me, like this swerve right in front of me, and the other nigga on my side. He's about, cut off the car. I'm like, bro, the car off, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? Nigga, the car off. The fuck? Nigga, if I wanted to run, nigga, I would have been ran. The fuck, the car would have been goddamn on. I would have been in the fucking third gear, started off in fucking left. I would have hit sports mode and gone. Like, come on, bro. Like, stupid ass nigga. But I would never stop for one cop car though. Like one crazy. I would never stop for one, bro. It's gonna take them niggas to get me, bro. Yeah, no bullshit. Take them niggas. I gotta go home, charge my GoPro. I'm gonna record another video later. I'm gonna probably cut up and shit like that. You feel me? Probably do some crazy shit. Do some crazy shit. Something like that, bro. But the police be out Virginia Beach hot as a bitch. This shit's sad, bro. It's sad how hot they be out here. No bullshit. It's sad, bro. I'm probably about to go to Wendy's, bro. That Wendy's do sound good. Hey, what y'all be getting for Wendy's, man? Y'all let me know in the comment section, bro. Yeah, get the junior bacon cheeseburger, 10-piece nugget, large fry, sweet tea. I don't even need a sweet tea. I got a water bottle right here type shit, so I don't need that shit for real, for real. I try to stay away from that sugar and shit. But nah, though, this video was short though, too, though, type shit. I ain't gonna lie. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. Hey, another thing. I ain't gonna say this in no other video. Hey, we ain't gonna be with this Scat for long, bro. No bullshit. Hey, woohoo! Hey, we got someone else cooking up, bro. No bullshit. And no, it's not no fucking BMW. We stand with Mopar, bro. You feel me? Fuck that shit, nigga. No bullshit. I'm talking about off the lot. Be quiet. I ain't gonna say too much though, man.